Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to play YouTube music in the background without using a premium account. We all know that YouTube music stops playing as soon as you leave the app, which can be annoying, especially when you just want to listen while doing something else on your phone. But don't worry, there's a simple way to fix that. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you have Google Chrome installed on your phone. Once you open it, go to the search bar and type YouTube Music. Click on the official site from the search results. Now, sometimes it might try to redirect you straight to the app. If that happens, don't worry. Just go back and hold the YouTube Music link for a second, then tap Open in New Tab. This is important because it makes YouTube Music open in your browser instead of the app, allowing it to keep playing in the background. Once you're inside the YouTube Music dashboard, you'll see all the usual options: trending songs, playlists, and recommendations. Search for your favorite artist, or track and tap on the one you want to play. After it starts playing, simply minimize your Chrome browser. You'll notice that your music doesn't stop. Here's a useful tip. When you minimize Chrome, you can open your notification panel, and from there, you'll see controls to pause, play, or skip your song, all without reopening Chrome. This makes it super easy to enjoy your music while texting, browsing, or using other apps. And that's it. You've learned how to keep your YouTube music running in the background smoothly and easily. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple tutorials like this one.